Hey guys, so today I'm going to be vlogging. I have some errands to run and I'm basically just on my own, so I thought I'd vlog. I'm going to do some last minute holiday shopping because I'm going to Berlin on Friday. Today's Monday. I've got a cheque to put in my bank because I actually won something for once. I won £25. It's in an actual cheque, so I need to go to the bank to put that in and stuff. So I thought I'd take you with me. The weather is kicking today and so I thought, yeah, I'd take you with me. So let go! It's actually really hot outside. I don't know why, like, I mean, it should be hot, we're in April, but it's been snowing recently where I live, so it's a really nice change to get some sun. So what I've got to get today is I've got to get some pyjamas. I've got to get some more tops because I've been buying dresses and not enough tops, so I'm probably just going to go into Primark, see if there's some cheap ones. And I'm so awkward, like vlogging outside in public. It's not something that I often do, so yeah, I'm probably not going to be talking a lot in this vlog. It's just I'm going to take you with me and show you around Bradford. It's not very nice. I mean, the weather makes it look nicer than it is, but it's not nice. I've got asthma, guys, sorry. So yeah, I need to get some pyjamas. I'm just waiting at the bus stop right now. I just need to get some pyjamas, some bobby pins, I'm just having a look around really, seeing what I can get. And Ella! So I went shopping, completed my shop, got everything that I needed, and everything is in this huge Primark bag. Yeah, I managed to get everything and spend so much money, more than I expected. I cashed in my cheque. That should clear in about a few days, maybe 4, hopefully before Germany, so I can spend it, because I don't save. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got. First is my receipt from Santander. Cool. Also, I got 2 hangers. I don't know if you have this where like you shop. I don't know if you get the same vibe as me, but like when they ask you if you want hangers, I'm like, oh my god, yes, please, because I'm always running out of hangers. So I was really excited about that. Kind of a boring life. It's the little things. So something that I got which I wasn't planning on, I just saw them and had to have them, are these gym leggings, and they're just like colourful, like green colour, and they've got like mesh here so you can see some skin through it, which is always very sexy. So they're just in this print. These were £8 I think from Primark. They were £8 from Primark. I just really love the print and the mesh. It's really good quality as well, and yeah, I just love getting sportswear from Primark. So the next thing I got was these 5 pairs of, it says workout, but I'm going to be using them for every day. They're just like trainer socks, shoe liners they call them, different colours, because the idea is that you're not supposed to see your sock. As you guys can tell, I like wearing white socks, so I just got some like lower cut ones that you can't tell. Because I'm one of those people where I can't not wear socks. Like in summer, I have to wear socks, otherwise my feet just hate me for it. So next I got this Revolution makeup lip kind of kit. I think it's like a rip-off of the Kylie lip kit. So this is a Revolution one. I got it in the shade Queen, and it's actually this colour on my hand right here. That stayed on from when I swatched it in the store. So you get the lip shade. So the idea is I love wearing red, so I'm going to take this to Germany with me. And you get the lip liner, which is just here, like It's sealed, which is always really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it in a little packet as well, I think. Or maybe not, I don't know. I'll be doing a what's in my suitcase video so you can see what I'm packing. This is a suitcase. Me and my mum are sharing it though, so I'm not gonna like literally take all that stuff anyway. So next I got a makeup bag to fit in my makeup because ones that I have are really too small. So it's just like baby pink, kind of floral. It's really big, so I can fit my makeup in and my brushes, because the brushes are the problem. Like, when I take this with me, they don't usually fit in average makeup bags, so had to buy a new one. This was £3, again from Primark. Primark is really good for... This is my favourite bit.
I got a bag of eggs! Oh.
As you can see, it's really spacious. Primark is really good for holiday travel bits, I think, better than the clothes. Oh, and it's got a little zip as well, which I'll probably put some bobby pins in. Yeah, that's really good. That's really good for £3, actually. Talking about bobby pins, I just got some more. They were just £1, some mini grips. And then that's my purse, which is now empty. Bus pass. So then I went into New Look, and I don't know why I went into New Look. I think I was just looking for like sale accessory things, and I picked up these rings, which are really nice when I'm looking at them. I just have no idea what they're gonna look like on. I got medium. I'm not a big ring wearer, so like I didn't really know what I was doing. But the idea is I really love the design of just like one on each kind of finger. Let me take these off and show you. So this is kind of like what I mean, like almost look like festival kind of rings. They're just like really nice, and you can change them around, which is really good. So if you wanted, you could have like 3 on one finger, or you could have 1 on each, or you could put 1 on your thumb. I don't know, they're just really nice. They're like rose gold, they've got glitter on. I just really like them. I thought they'd be really nice to change them up a bit. Like, again, you can have 4 on one. I don't know, they're just really good. And for £3.99, I thought it was a bargain. So I got them. Oh, I'm so cringy. So I got these. The thing I got was this concealer. This is the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer. Why have I just got a cold all of a sudden? This is literally impossible to find. This is literally impossible to find in #1 shade. I was looking around for ages and finally found it. I like to stockpile my makeup items because I've got anxiety. So like if I was like on holiday, for instance, and I ran out, I'd panic. So that's why I got one. Look at my MAC foundation, it's running out. I then got some sunnies, and these are so nice, like, oh my god. Right, let me show you. Bear with. Oh my god, they're so nice. Like, I don't know, I just thought they'd look really cool with like a denim jacket, and I also kind of liked the case colour. I know, I just think they're really nice. There's something different, kind of unique. And they also would look really good just on top of your head, like, hello. Don't know. Yeah, got them. They were £3. Last but not least, I got 2 vest tops from New Look. These were 2 for £8, which I thought was incredible. So basically what they are is they're just strappy cami tops, but as you guys know, I love my buttons. So they've got, that's not the front. I love my buttons, so they've got buttons all the way down the front, and it's a tie top, which they're like 2 of my favourite things. Buttons, buttons and tie tops are like 2 of my favourite things. So amazing, I got that. And then because they were 2 for £8, I got one in black as well. I just think they'll be really nice with like a denim jacket again, some blue jeans, black jeans, whatever, so I got them for £8.